Hello everyone and welcome to my first motion tracking tutorial. This tutorial I'll be using the programs Photoshop and After Effects. So here's a little preview of what we're going to be doing today. Sorry, I forgot to render it. So it's pretty basic motion tracking. It's used a lot in montages. So yeah, it's kind of cool. So we're going to be starting a new start a new project, import our clip. Where is it running? Okay, so create a new comp, go to composition, save frame as, Photoshop layers, save it on your desktop wherever you want. Then over here it is. Now open it with Photoshop. I'm sorry, it might take a while with my slow computer. Okay, so here it is. You'll want to select the line tool. If it says rectangle tool or so, just press a couple of times U, or just press right mouse on the rectangle. Okay, now you may want to select around 5 or 6 pixels. And you want to draw, well, the color you can decide yourself. I like black or white, but white is not like transparent on every color. I mean, on this background I wouldn't use white. And yeah, so you just draw it. No, it's not. Okay, wait a second, let me go over here. So that looks fine, I guess. Yeah, it looks fine. So zoom out again, and then we're going to delete the bottom layer, the running, which leaves delete layer, yes, which leaves this stripe. Now save the file. Now open it again with After Effects, or import the file, however you want to call it. Choose merged layers and click on OK. Now import it over here, and oh yeah, I'm sorry, put it on top. So now we see this. Just to start, you may want to import your text, or you may want to adjust the size of the shit. You can, like, make it more like this, or however you want to. And then when you think it's fine, just go select your text tool and select the font you want. I just like this font, so I'm going to use it again. Now click when you want. Click at the beginning of the stripe of the straight part and type whatever you want. So I'm going to type my username, and now I discover my stripe is not long enough. So I'm going to straighten. Whoa, what the fuck? Okay, never mind. It's good like this. Let's just adjust this shit. Say Luke. Yeah. So you now let's make it a little bit bigger. So we now have our text and our stripe, and what we now are going to do is motion track all of this. Oh wait. Click on layer, new, null object, import this. It's kind of important. So now go to workspace and select motion tracking. What this will do, this will delete all unnecessary windows that are needed for motion tracking. So select the footage and click on track motion. Now zoom in for a little bit if you want to. I'd like to. Then I'll put it on there, and I'll click on make sure the target is selected on null, 0, and then click on the analyze forward button. So now it will analyze And when it's done, let's see, it's done. Okay, then we'll go to apply and make sure it says X and Y, and click on OK. So now close this tab, collapse it, you don't need it for anyways. Now parent the text and the PSD file to the null object, and now you basically have your clip. Let's flash it all back. If you want, you can add linear. Oh wait, let's change it back to standard. And if you want, you can add an effect to your stripe. It's called linear wipe, and it makes it like fade in and fade out. So let's paste it onto here, and what this does, it makes it fade in after like say 25 frames. So you can do that with your opacity of your text if you want. So go to your text, hit T, so the keyframe just before it starts right here, so the keyframe on 0, and right as it is here, so the keyframe as 100. So now basically it looks like this. Okay, so I'm going to render it for you guys. Render. So yeah, this is basically what it is right now. I think it is a little bit boring without music, so I turn off the audio and just import some nice music. So yeah, that basically was my tutorial. Thank you for watching, guys, and stay tuned for my 6,000 subs montage. It will be a MW2 sniper montage, I think. And stay tuned for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.